Augustine of Hippo, de Magistro, Episode 5. Augustinus, videtur ergo tibi nisi aut docendi, aut com memorandi causa non esse institutam locutionem? Adeodatus, videretur nisi me moveret quod dum oramus, utique locumur, nec tamen Deum aut docere aliquid, a nobis aut com memorari fas est credere. Augustine continues and asks a question. Therefore, does it seem to you, videtur ergo tibi, does it seem to you that, this introduces indirect statement or oratio obliqua, does it seem to you that locutionem, here's the subject of the indirect statement, it's feminine, singular, and accusative, it's accusative as the subject of esse, does it seem to you that speech has not been established, non esse institutum, has not been established nisi, unless causa, except or unless for the sake of, this is what causa means with a preceding genitive, and we have two of them here, aut docendi, aut com memorandi, has not been established except for the sake of either teaching, docendi, or of reminding others, bringing something to mind. Both com memorandi and docendi are gerunds, that is, verbal nouns, and they are both neuter singular and genitive. The subject of esse in the indirect statement, as I have said, is locutionem, and the predicate is institutam. So the predicate is feminine singular accusative to agree with its subject. And then Adeodatus replies to the question videtur. He replies videretur. It would seem to me proper, unless me moveret, unless the fact that, quote, while we are praying, we are indeed speaking, utique locumur, that fact disturbs me or bothers me, me moveret. So what we have here in videretur and moveret is we have a present contrary to fact conditional, a present contrary to fact conditional, in which the protasis, the if clause, which is nisi, the protasis contains an imperfect subjunctive, namely moveret, and the apodosis, the then clause, also contains an imperfect subjunctive, namely videretur. So again, he says, it would seem so, except it disturbs me, the fact that while we are praying, we are indeed or especially speaking. Nor, however, nec tamen, that God either is taught something by us or is reminded, this is fas to believe. This is inappropriate or improper. We might express it a slightly different way and say, nec tamen fas est, nor is it right, however, to believe. Or it is not right, in fact, to believe that God is either taught something by us or is he reminded of something by us. Both com memorari and docere are present passive infinitives. We have then a nobis, which is ablative of agency.